everybody, and welcome to another MISys tips and tricks video. On this week's video, we are going to talk about negative inventory. Many of our clients express frustration with the inventory values that end up going negative. Sometimes they do this on purpose, and sometimes they don't realize that this is an option, a preference that is possible to trigger on or off within MISys, as well as the accounting system that is being used. In MISys, this can be done under the administration menu, under company options, and under preferences. There is an allow negative stock tick box here. If this tick box is unchecked, MISys will not allow any transactions that would take the inventory into negative. It would display a warning and then cancel that transaction. It is always preferable to have the same setup on the accounting side as well. If you are using QuickBooks, then where you would go is in QuickBooks, you would go to Edit, Preferences, and on the Preferences menu that pop up, go to Items and Inventory, and under Company Preferences, click Don't Allow Negative Quantities. Now, if you have activated Advanced Inventory Settings, let's activate it, which we will be talking about in a different video. But you also would want to say when a transaction will cause inventory to go negative, block transaction, and you would hit OK and OK, and this would take care of it in QuickBooks. If you were in Sage, you would do something similar. You would go to the Setup menu, Settings, and you would go to Inventory and Services. Under Options, you would have this allow inventory levels to go below 0 box unchecked. If this is the first time you're setting up your accounting system in MISys, this is what you would have to do, and this would prevent you from going into negative inventory levels, both on the raw materials, components, sub-assemblies, or finished goods level. However, if you have been using MISys for a while and you have already gone into negative inventory, it is not as simple as going and unticking that box. As long as you have negative inventory in the system, MISys will not allow you to untick this box. So first you need to deal with the negative inventory that you currently have, true up that inventory to 0 or above numbers, and then you can come and tick that box. That can be a bit of a lengthy and complicated process. However, at Central Nervous Systems, we're here to help you get to that point. So feel free to give us a call and we will guide you through that process and have your negative stock disallowed so you will not have to deal with that again. Hope this will help you use MISys more effectively.